It's got the wow factor, and it's all about the experience when you come to M1.
So this is the new M1 Service Center, and we'll have a partnership with Prefix Corporation, the Rochester Hill-based organization. It's going to be about a 3,000 square foot building. We'll have 3 service bays. We'll have an official fuel partner. The service center is going to support the garage owners here at M1, our Motorsports Club members that have track cars.
The whole center has got a beautiful design, architectural design to it. It's going to fit the whole idea of what M1's all about. And we really wanted to be another experience. Whether you're visiting M1 or whether you have a garage here, whether you're part of an event at the event center, it wants to be another part of your experience.
When M1 Concourse, when they broke ground, we were here for the groundbreaking. And we've just seen the progress ever since, starting with the 80 original garages that were built, then later the event center, and now we're looking forward to the service center, which is just going to be a great piece to kind of tie it all together.
And that's really what this performance center is all about. It's something that could never be done anywhere else in the country, because there's not another company that does exactly what we do in such a large scale.
Having somebody like that to be able to service those types of vehicles on site, I wouldn't have to drive it, you know, right here, I think would be invaluable.
This is just another step in building M1 Concourse.